Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing ClickUp account. Logging into your existing ClickUp account is easy and only takes a few minutes. First of all, launch open the ClickUp application on your device, or you may also visit clickup.com on a web browser. Whichever option you've chosen, go ahead and find this credential box where you need to type in your email address. Make sure to type in your correct email address associated with your existing ClickUp account and tap on Next at the top right corner. Now, on the next page, you'll need to type in your password. Go ahead and enter your password for your ClickUp account. After you are done, click on Login. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to sign into your existing ClickUp account quickly and easily. You can now start creating tasks, managing projects, and collaborating with your team. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.